Tesla Cybertruck might try to be the most unique looking car to hit the road in a good number of years. But even though Elon Musk's pet project looks like it was made by a game designer from the PS1 era who hates curves, it still looks like it will be able to make all the parts that go into a Tesla. Minimalist style, some of the simplest range on the market, and all the high-tech features you could ask for. In today's video, we'll give you the latest information about Cybertruck. Welcome to TechLife. Without further ado, let's get straight to the video. The lack of semiconductor chips seems to be the biggest problem with making a lot of Tesla Cybertrucks. Elon Musk, co-founder and CEO of Tesla, said during the second quarter 2021 earnings conference call that the lack of chips has hurt the company and the company is trying to figure out how to fix the problem. Musk said that the Tesla Cybertruck and Tesla Semi use a lot of cell capacity and that the company needs to make sure that the important part is always available. The company could start making cars right away, but it would lose a lot of money on each one. The Cybertruck is going to be made at the Giga Texas plant in Austin, Texas, the United States. Musk said on the company's earnings call for quarter 3 in 2022 on October 19th that early production, low volume production, will start in the middle of 2023. The electric pickup truck will be made in large numbers by the company by the end of 2023. Reuters reported on November 1st, citing information from 2 sources with knowledge of the situation. No matter what, customers won't get their packages until the second half of the next year. Tesla has started getting ready for the Cybertruck to go into production in the middle of 2023. Musk said at the opening of the Tesla Gigafactory Berlin-Brandenburg on March 22, 2022, that the final model would be finished by December 2022. Musk said during the company's fourth quarter 2021 and full year 2021 earnings conference call on January 26, 2022, that Tesla didn't start making Cybertrucks in late 2021 as planned because it couldn't have made enough of them. The brand boss said that nothing has changed in 2022. With less than a year to go before the Cybertruck goes into mass production, testing is in full swing. Spy photos show that Tesla is testing prototypes of its Cybertrucks on public roads to make sure it can handle all the challenges of the real world. On August 27th of 2022, a Twitter user named Whole Mars Blog posted a picture of a prototype being tested on the street. The picture was taken as the prototype was being unloaded. It had a number of sensors that could be used for autopilot. Like every other Tesla sold in the US, the Cybertruck might not have a radar, but instead use the company's camera-based Tesla Vision system. Before the end of 2021, Tesla took the prices and launch dates for the Cybertruck off of its website. As was said earlier in this story, the company has now confirmed that deliveries won't start until the middle of 2023. Musk said at the company's annual shareholder meeting on August 4th, 2022, that the Cybertruck won't be able to be sold at the original prices because inflation and other problems have caused the cost to rise more than expected. Tesla first showed off the Cybertruck with a single motor RWD, 2 motors an AWD, and 3 motors AWD. Musk confirmed at Tesla's annual shareholder meeting on August 4, 2022, that the specifications of the Cybertruck will be different from what the company said in 2019. A quad-motor powertrain will be added as one of those changes. In a tweet from December 2021, Whole Mars Catalog said that a new quad-motor version would be added to the lineup and that the single-motor version might be taken off the market. Musk said in response to the rumors on Twitter that Tesla will first make a Cybertruck with 4 motors, confirming the new top-of-the-line model. Tesla had said that the single-motor RWD, dual-motor AWD, and tri-motor AWD versions of the Cybertruck would each have a range of 250 plus miles, 300 miles, and 500 plus miles in 2019. Even though it has decided to change the specs now, we are sure that at least one of the models will have a range of more than 500 miles. Batteries made of a new type of cell will be the key to getting a range of more than 500 miles. The cell is called 4680 because it is 80 millimeters long and about 46 millimeters in diameter. It can give you 5 times more energy, 6 times more power, and 16% more range. At the Tesla Battery Day event in September 2020, Andrew Baglino, Senior Vice President of Powertrain and Energy Engineering, talked about these changes. On October 19, 2022, Teslarati reported that a new production line on the second floor of Tesla's factory at 45500 Fremont Boulevard in Fremont would be used to make battery packs for the Cybertruck in California. The new production line is being built right now. Tesla plans to use automated equipment at this site to make the battery packs for the Cybertruck, and it is testing the same equipment on the new production line. The Cybertruck will work with the Tesla V4 supercharger, which is the next generation of Tesla's charging technology. It is also called the Tesla Megacharger. During the semi-delivery event on December 1st, 2022, Tesla semi-program manager Dan Priestley said that the cable for the Tesla V4 supercharger will be nice and easy to move, just like the cable for the Tesla V3 supercharger. The only big difference in performance will be a peak charging rate of 1 megawatt, which is actually 4 times faster than the V3's rate of 250 kilowatts. The high voltage wires in the new charging cable will be soaked in tubes that return coolant. Musk said that the Cybertruck will be able to use the Tesla V4 supercharger at the semi-delivery event. We don't think its batteries will be able to handle the full power of the Tesla V4 supercharger, which is 1 megawatt, but it's likely that the charging rate will be much higher than 250 kilowatts. The Tesla Cybertruck has a design that divides people, and this has been one of the most talked about things about it since the beginning. Tesla has said it might change the design of the wedge-shaped pickup for production, but we don't think it will make any big changes. The Cybertruck is not as unique as most people think, even though it sets new standards for weird pickups. A design patent application to the US PTO has similarities to models from the past and from the early 2000s. A report from Electrek.co says that in its design patent application for the Cybertruck, Tesla used designs of classic sports cars, a cool-off rotor, and even an aerodynamic pickup bed cover. The Cybertruck needs to be fixed and made better in a lot of ways before it can be put into service, and these changes will take some more time. Musk confirmed on Twitter on June 1st, 2022, that the cast bodies of the Cybertruck will be made with the GigaPress 9000T from the Italian company Idra. This is a 9,000-ton GigaPress. Like with the Model Y, the company may make the front and back of the Cybertruck out of the single piece of metal. Giga castings can help automakers improve noise, vibration, and harshness, cut weight, increase driving range, and make cars safer. Aside from making the vehicle better, they can also make the process of making them a lot easier and use less space. In January 2022, new photos and a video of a Cybertruck with a different look showed up online. They showed a few different exterior design details. It looks like Tesla changed the front of the car and the bumper to meet pedestrian safety rules. Because of this, the new face has a few curves. The concept version of the Tesla Cybertruck is very big, and for many markets, it's just too big. Tesla is working on making it smaller, which will make it easier to drive in real life. Musk said that the company had made the production version about 3% smaller during the Joe Rogan Experience podcast. The Cybertruck concept has separate marker lights in lower front fascia that are neatly built into bumper's ends. 2 horizontal LED light bars near the bottom of the bumper serve as fog lights, Recent footage of the production model seems to show that the front fog lamps are higher at the same level as the concept model's marker lights, but they are set further in. Tesla probably made the change to help people see the road better when the weather is bad. The Cybertruck should be one of the strongest and most useful pickup trucks you can buy. Even though it has a design that divides people, it has attracted tens of thousands of potential buyers, which shows that people are willing to accept a very different idea in the very traditional vehicle category. Okay folks, that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed watching the video, give it a thumbs up, click the subscribe button, and ring the bell icon so that you will never miss any videos from us.